Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI.
Are you looking for a great way to serve your guests? The chip and dip set from ONEMORE is microwave safe, oven safe, and dishwasher safe. I really like the finish of this set. It's a high gloss ceramic with hand painted edges. It's really beautiful and really well made. I used this recently at a taco party I had, and it was perfect for all of the condiments that you need to go along with your tacos. These bowls are also awesome for so many different things. I have my salsa here. I also use them for yogurt and granola, for ice cream, really anything that you can think of. They are the perfect size. With so many different options, you really can't go wrong with these sets. I enjoy using these on a daily basis, and it's great that I can just throw them in my dishwasher. Maybe not throw, but you know what I mean. I think you'll be happy too.
And that is my point of view.